Hey everyone! Mike Conley Jr., a seasoned guard for the Minnesota Timberwolves, is riding an unprecedented wave in his long NBA career. At age 36, he's showing us that age is just a number when it comes to chasing your dreams. Thrilled by the progress his team's made in the playoffs, Conley saw something truly motivating in the locker room recently. A number 7 on a whiteboard, representing the wins needed for the Timberwolves to snatch their first ever NBA championship. And this came right after a critical victory against the Dallas Mavericks. They were down 3-0 in the series, but they didn't give up. They pushed through. Now think about this. Conley is the 12th oldest player out of around 450 in the NBA. When he started his career back in 2007, some of his current teammates were just kids. Despite the age gap, Conley's vibe is young. He's having fun, he's energized, and he's keeping up with players who are literally a decade younger than him. Conley's secret? He doesn't see himself as just an OG, an original gangster, to his team. Yes, he's a veteran, but more than that, he's a player who still loves the game deeply, feels youthful, and enjoys playing with his teammates who keep him feeling young. Facing a critical Game 5, Conley's message was clear. Treat it like it's Game 7. This is all we've got. Forget the noise, forget the pressure. Just play the game with faith and heart. It's a rare opportunity to reach this deep in the playoffs. And when you get a chance like this, you've got to give everything you've got. So, what can we take away from Mike Conley's incredible journey this season? It's that passion and a positive mindset can defy the typical boundaries set by age. Conley is not just playing in the NBA, he's thriving, leading, and inspiring. And for all of us watching, maybe it's a reminder that it's never too late to chase our own championships, whatever they may be. Let's take that energy into our lives, inspired by the unstoppable Mike Conley. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, keep pushing no matter the odds.